Now we are going to see the seventh sum. Show that the middle term is the expansion of 1 plus x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 then dot dot up to 2n minus 1 then 2 power n x power n by n factorial. So now we are going to do the solution. So what is the solution? We are going to write, as usual we are going to compare with the binomial theorem and we are going to write as n is equal to 2n, x equal to 1. Then what they have given, a equal to x. Next you have to write the general term. So the general term. So what is the general term? As usual, tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So this is the general term. So now we are going to substitute the values in equation 1. Okay, so let this be equation 1. Okay, now we are going to substitute these values. So after substituting, what we will be getting, we don't know the what is the r value. So tr plus 1 is equal to 2n. So instead of n, 2n, then cr, then x value is 1, then 1 into 2n, n value is 2n, then minus r, then x power, okay, what is the a value? X power r. Okay, so this is the value they have given, and also you see 1 power whatever it's come, the value will be 1. So 2ncr x power r alone we will be getting. Okay, so let this be second equation. Next what I am going to do is, they have given the middle term. Okay, so and also you see the middle term 2n is the even. Okay, now since x equal to 2n is even, so even means what is the formula for the middle term? The middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. So what is the n value they have given here? 2n they have given. So 2n by 2 plus 1. So that implies tn plus 1 you will be getting. And also you just compare this tn plus 1 and tr plus 1. So what is the r value there? R is equal to n you will be getting. So that implies r equal to n. So what you have to put? Put r equal to n. So put r equal to n in what we have to put it? In equation 2 we are going to put it. So tn plus 1 is equal to 2n cn then x power n. So already we know the formula for this one. So what is the formula for this one? 2n factorial cn factorial. We know the formula is ncr equal to n factorial by r factorial then n minus r the whole factorial. So for this one alone we are just comparing. So 2n cn is equal to, we are just comparing n equal to 2n. Then what we are writing? R equal to n we are writing. So using that one if you are writing means, so what is that one will be 2n factorial by n factorial then 2n minus n the whole factorial. So that implies 2n factorial by n factorial then n factorial. So what we are going to apply this one. Okay, for this one 2n cn we are going to apply it. We are going to apply in this one. So tn plus 1 is equal to 2n factorial by n factorial then n factorial into x power n you will be getting. Now next what we are going to do? We are going to expand the terms. So next we are going to expand it. 2n then 2n minus 1 then 2n minus 2 then dot dot up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by into x power n factorial you will be getting. Then afterwards, as usual, likewise the last sum we are going to separate the odd and even terms. Odd and even terms in numerator. So if you are going to we are going to separate in the sense, so first of all we are going to separate the even terms. 2n minus 2, then 2n minus 4, then up to 4 into 2. Next what you will be getting, 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 3, then up to what you will be getting, 3 into 1 into x power n by n factorial. Next what we have to do, children, next we are going to do this even term alone, we are going to compare it and take the 2 alone we are going to outside. 2 alone if you take outside means 2 power n terms we have to take it, because here fully n terms is there. So 2 power n into n minus 1, then n minus 2, then up to 2 into 1, then 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 3, then up to 3 into 1 x power n by n factorial. Then here you see n into n minus 1, n minus 2, then up to 2 into 1 means you will be getting the n factorial. This is the expansion of n factorial. So 2n n factorial. Then remaining you write 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, then up to 3 into 1, then x power into x power n by n factorial, then n factorial. Okay, afterwards what you have to do it, you just simply cancel the terms n factorial, you cancel it. Then what you will be getting, 2n, then 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 3, then dot 3 into 1, then into x power n by n factorial. Then we will be rearranging the terms. So 1 into 3 into 5, then 2n minus 3, then 2n minus 1 by n factorial into x power n. So therefore hence proved. So what they have given in the question, we have proved. Okay, so what they have said to prove, we have proved. Okay, up to prove. So what they have given in the question, you see, the question they have given to prove this one. So we have proved 2 power n, 1 into 3 into, then 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1 by n factorial, x power n.